So, hello children. Today we'll be starting with practice set 12 and we have to find the HCF. Now, what does HCF means? HCF means highest common factors. Okay. So, in the previous exercises, the way we used to find the factors, here also we'll find the factors of 25. 25 is 5, 5s are 5, 1s are. Then I'll take 40. 40 is 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5 and 5, 1. Okay. So I'll write the factors of 25 are 5 into 5. And the factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So I'll underline the common factors now. Okay, there is only one common factor, 5. Therefore I'll write the HCF is 5. Okay, then second one is 56 and 32. So I'll take 56. What are the factors of 56? 2, 28, 2 14s are, 2 7s are and 7 1s are. Okay, what about 32? 2 16 times, 2 8 times, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Okay, therefore 56 I'll write the factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 and 32 I'll write the factors 5 times 2. Okay, now I'll underline the common factors. The common factors are 3 times 2. Okay, so I'll write here 2 into 2 into 2, that is HCF of this is 8. Okay. Okay children, third one says we have to find the HCF of these three numbers. I'll take 40, 2, 20, 2, 10, 2, 5 and 5, 1. Then I'll take 60, 2, 30, 2, 15, 3, 5, 5, 1. Okay, then I'll take 75. 2 I cannot take, I can take 3 because the total is 12. So 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Then 25 you know, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. So I'll write there factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then put a semicolon 60, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and put a semicolon 75, 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, now look here, what common can you see, or even you can look here vertically. Okay, so I can see 2 is common in these two, but 2 is not present here, so leave about 2. Then we have 3. 3 is common in these two, but 3 is not here, so only thing common is I think so 5. 5 is there, 1 5 is there in all of them, so your HCF is 5. Okay, fourth one 16 and 27. So I'll write 16, 2 8, 2 4s are, 2 2s are and 2 1s are. So 16 is very simple, you have to write 4 times 2. Okay, what about 27? 27 is 3 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So the factors of 27 are 3 times 3. Now children, here when nothing is common, your HCF is 1, because 1 is the factor of every number. Okay, 1 is the factor, 1 is the divisor of every number. Okay, then fifth one. Okay, we have the numbers 18, 32 and 48. So we'll take here 2 9s are, then I'll write 3 3s are 3 ones are. Okay, then 32, you know it is 5 times 2, we did it before. 2 16, 2 8, 2 fours are, 2 twos are, and 2 ones are. What about 48? 2 24 times, 2 12 times, 2 6 times, 2 3 times, and 3 1 time. So we reached here. 18, I'll write the factors 2 into 3 into 3. 32, I'll write the factors 5 times 2. And 48, I'll write the factors 4 times 2 and 1 time 3. Let us see now. 3 is not there in all of them. 2 is there in all of them, but only 1 2 is there. So I'll take 1 2. Okay, so your HCF is 2. Okay, then 105 and 154. Okay, so 105, it is divisible by 3. So I'll take 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Okay, this is divisible by 5, 7s are, and 7 1s are. So I'm writing the factors of 105, 3 into 5 into 7, and 154. You can see it is an even number. So I'm taking 2, 2 7s are 14, again 2 7s are 14. 77, I cannot take it with 2, I cannot take it with 3. You know it is the multiple of 7. So 7 11 times. Okay, and 11 ones are. Okay, so 154 equals to 2 into 7 into 11. What common do you see here? Correct, 7 is the only common factor. So I'll write the highest common factor is 7. Okay, next, seventh one, 42, 45 and 48. So I'll take 42 first. 2 21s are, this 3 7s are, and 7 1s are. Then I'll take 45. 45, I cannot take 2, so I'll take 3. 3 15s are, 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. And lastly 48. 2 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3, and 3 1. So I'll write here the factors. 2 into 3 into 7, semicolon 45. 3 into 3 into 5. Then I'll write here 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so what can you see common here? 2 I cannot take, 2 is not here. 3 I can take, yes. 1, 3 is there in all of them. Anything else? 5 I cannot take, 7 I cannot take. So your HCF is 3. Okay, then 8th one says we have to find the factors of 57, 75 and 102. Okay, now 57 goes in the table of 3. Okay, so 3 19 times and 19 1 times. Okay, 75 again, 3 25s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Okay, here I'll take 2 51. Okay, then this is divisible by 3. You know 17 3s are is 51 and 17 1s are. Okay, so the factors of 57 are 3 into 19. Factors of 75 are 3 into 5 into 5. And factors of 102 are 2 into 3 into 17. Let us see what is common here now. 3 is there in every number. Then I don't think so any other number is common. So your HCF of these three numbers is 3. Then ninth one says we have to find the factors of 56 and 57. Now 56 divisible by 2, 228, 214, 27 and 7 ones are. 57 is the multiple of 3, 3 19s are and 19 ones are. Okay. Now you can see there is nothing common here, so no need to write horizontally. I'll straight away write the HCF is 1. Okay. Then 10th one, we have to find the HCF of these three numbers 777, 315 and 588. So I'll take this first. 777, I cannot take 2 but I can take 3. 7 3 times is 21, so I can take 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, this becomes 17. 3 5s are 15, 2 remains, 3 9s are 27. Okay. Now what is the total here? 9 plus 5 14 plus 2 16. I cannot take 2, I cannot take 3. So what I can take now? The next number is 5. I cannot take 5. The next number is 7. Let us check with 7. 7, yes. 7 3s are 21. 4 remains. 7 7s are 49. Okay. So 37, you know it is a prime number. So I'll write 37 ones are. The next number is 315. You can see the total of these numbers, children. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the total is 9. So it is divisible by 3. Okay. So I'll take 3 here. 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 fives are 15. Okay. Then I'll take here 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 fives are 15. Okay. Then here again 5 sevens are and 7 ones are. Okay. Then I'll take here the last number, that is 588. Now 588 is an even number, so I can start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 9s are 18. 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 1 remains. 2 7s are 14. Okay. I cannot take 2, but you can see that you can add them, you get 12. So I can take 3. 3 4s are 12. 2 remains. 3 9s are 27. 49 is the number. So the divisor of 49 is 7. So 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now if you see this, okay, I have to write this horizontally. 3 into 7 into 37, semicolon, 315. 3 into 3 into 5 into 7, and lastly 588. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 7. You can see 7 is there in all of them, so I'll underline 7. Any other number that is present in all of them? Yes, children, 3. 1 3 is there with every number. Okay, so I'll write here HCF equals to 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21. So your HCF is 21. Okay. Then okay, so question number 2 says that we have to find the HCF by division method. Okay, now this is something new for you, and also it is very easy. So how to find? Just see, the bigger number you will place here, the smaller number you will place as the divisor. This is dividend, this is divisor. Okay, quotient you will write here. 275, let us say 250. 250 if I take, it will become 500. 275 if I take, it will become 550. So it will be the double of this number will be more than 525. So I'll take 1 275. How to do this? Just see. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. 7, this becomes 7 plus 5, 12, 1, 3. 250 is the remainder. This automatically will become your divisor. See how you have to do. Okay, the remainder will become your divisor for the next step. Okay, and the number above will become your dividend, 275. Okay, this is very simple. 250 ones are 250. Okay, what remains is 25. Next step, you know, this number becomes your divisor. Okay, and this number becomes your dividend, 250. Okay, you know, this is very simple. 25 tens is 250. So you have to do this until you get 0. Okay, so this, the last divisor, becomes your HCF. Okay, HCF is what? 25. Very easy, children. Okay, one or two more sums will do and these things will be very much easier for you. Okay, now they have asked one more thing, that reduce this number to the lowest form. Okay, we know to reduce it to the lowest form we have to divide it by the HCF, the highest common factor. Okay, so 275 if I divide it by 25, I'll get 11. Okay, and 525 if you divide it by 25, okay, 25 2s is 50, 2 remains, 25 1s is 25. So these are your two answers. HCF is 25 and the lowest form is 11 upon 21. Let us do one more sum so it will be far more clearer to you how to do this. Okay, children, so the second sum is 76. I'll place the smaller number as divisor, 133 as dividend. Can I take 2 times? No, 76 2 times will be more than 150. So I'll take 1s are 76. Okay, then here 6, 7 plus 6 is 13, 1, 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so your remainder is 57. Okay, this automatically becomes your divisor and this becomes your dividend, 76. So 57 I cannot take 2, so again 57 ones are 57. Okay, 7 plus 9 is 16, 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, so this becomes your 19 becomes your again divisor and 57 becomes your dividend. Okay, you have to bring this down. Now you know the table of 19. 19 3 times is 57. So you got 0 as remainder here. So you got the HCF. What is the HCF? The previous divisor. HCF is 19. And to convert this to the lowest form, we have to divide it by HCF. Okay. Now 19 table, you know, 19 4s is 36. Okay, and 19 7s is 133. So third one says 161 upon 69. So 161 I'll place here, 69 as divisor. You know, 62 times is 120 and 3 times is 180. So 69 2 times I can take. 69 2 times is 120 plus 18, so it will be 138. Okay, then 8 plus 3 is 11, 1 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, so 23 remains. Then this becomes your divisor, 138 becomes your dividend. Okay, if you know the table of 23, 5 times is 115 and 6 times it is 138. So we have reached here, the remainder we got 0. So what is the HCF? HCF is 23. Very simple. Now we have to reduce this to the lowest form, so we will divide this by 23. Okay, now 23, you know, 23 3s is 69. Okay, and 23 6s is 138 and 7s is 161. Okay children, so with this we come to the end of practice set 12. Goodbye, all the best.